Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Color Street. I ordered a bunch of nail wraps and it's been a while since I've done like a haul, so I figured I would do that. And you know you've ordered quite a bit when they come in a box instead of a purple bag. And with this order, every $50 you spent, you got a free Valentine's Day set. So we'll look at those. This could be one of the free ones or could be one that I purchased. This one's called It's a Keeper. And I think that's gonna be kind of see-through on the nails, but some of them have hearts and other details, heart-shaped keys. Those are pretty cute. Then I also got Love Letter. Now this one has to be one of the freebies because I know I would not have ordered this. I do not like the ones that are white or a silver background because my nails tend to bend and it'll make cracks in here after several days. So I tend to stay away from those. So that one must be a freebie, but it's pretty cute. Next up we have Heart of the Matter. Oh, I like that one. That one's neat. Red and black hearts. And these are always buy 3, get 1 free. If you want to try them out, my link is below. And feel free to use the party link if you want. That helps me out, helps me earn some sets whenever I close out the order. This one is called Dark Matter. So this is one of the new, I thought they were supposed to be Star Wars themed sets, but someone told me it's Star Trek themed sets because there's a new Star Trek movie or something out. So this is one of the 2 that just came out. So it's not showing well on camera. It's kind of like a brownish black. And then when you turn it this way, it's more brown. I don't think I'm doing a good job of showing that because it has the shiny, you can kind of see it there, the shiny film on it. There was this one and one other strip. I really wanted the other one, but they were sold out, so I did not get that one in the shipment. This one's called Chilean Cool. And that one's really pretty. Some of these I had in my stash, but I had some family over for my kid's birthday party, and they bought a bunch of them. So there's 2 of those I got. I really like the glitters. I think they wear better than the solids for sure, and sometimes better than the designs, so. Next is Rose Goes. I like the shade of red and how some of the nails have roses. I think that's a really pretty set. Then we have Heart of the Matter again. So I think the first 3 I pulled up were my freebies, I believe. That kind of makes sense. Candied Lavender. That's pretty. So that is a clear overlay with some lavender glitter. I don't do the overlays that often, though I am wearing one on my thumb and on this finger. It's a Valentine's Day overlay. Yeah, I normally don't get too creative with my nails. This one is Pink Peppercorn, another overlay. My friends that buy for me tend to like those, so I try to keep at least one of each in stock. This one is Champagne Sugar. Another overlay. Dallas Darling. Now that one I thought looked really cool. I feel like it's a little bit darker blue in person than what I thought it looked like online, but maybe I'm wrong. But another glitter that's really pretty. Another Dallas Darling, so I did get 2 of those. Blue in Peru. Is that what it is? Yeah, I was about to say, that's not really blue. I guess it's like a navy blue. I hate how reflective this packaging is. It's really hard to show you what it looks like. There we go, like that. Dark blue. Another blue in Peru, so I got 2 of those. I Want Scandi. That looks really similar to the lavender one. Let me go dig that back out so I could compare it. So that one is just a tinge of color underneath, and this one is clear, but very similar. I honestly don't remember ordering this many. Living the Gleam. Oh, that one's pretty. It's like black hollow, but then there's like also purple. Picking up a lot of purple. Another Living the Gleam. So 2 of those. Crantastic. Now I wore this one a lot lately, and I got a lot of compliments on that. So I ordered another. Holidays. That someone bought for me. It was my only one, so I wanted to make sure I got another one. Got 2 of them actually. Scott Topic. That one I think I'm gonna wear for St. Patty's Day. There are some St. Patty's Day ones out. I don't think I'll put in another order for those though, since I just put in this big one. But this is like a really dark green. Again, hard to show on camera. It kind of looks black, but it is dark green. And this one is How You Doing. A little bit of shimmer to it. Feeling Marvelous. That one will be pretty sheer, I'm assuming. Less bitter, more glitter. Another glitter overlay. Seattle Royale. That one I think is really pretty. Kind of orange glitter. Confetti. I know I had that one before. This was a Valentine's Day one 2 years ago, I believe. Maybe 3 years ago. Rushing Around. This one I loved and have yet to wear it. Again, hard to show. It's basically black with red glitter. Between the Lines. That's a clear overlay, so that would look really cool if you put over red or pink or any color, any solid color. Oh my gosh, we got pretty many left. Ibiza Nights, I don't know how to say that, but awesome purple glitter. The reason I ordered so many is you have to have a $300 order every 6 months to stay active, so like twice a year. I try to stock up, and I normally try to plan it around holiday sets or like new catalog releases, but I haven't ordered in so long that I just ordered all the new ones that I liked. And this one I have ordered before. You're cordially invited. Capitol Hill, that's a pretty popular one. It's gray with some pink glitter. Bordeaux Glitz. That's a darker purple with hollow over it. Dripping in Diamonds. That one's an ombre overlay, so it's all clear. Again, you could put it over a solid and that would look really cool. And Midnight in Manhattan, which is a solid black. Would be nice with those glitter overlays. Coming up, Rose Gold, same thing, another clear glitter overlay with rose gold glitter on it. Tokyo Lights, this is like our #1 seller, I'm pretty sure it still is. Looks amazing on. So I got 2 of those. And the last one, Check Me Out. It's a light pink with hollow on it. Very cool. So that's my big haul for the winter. Probably won't order again until summertime or later in the summer. But if you guys have never tried Color Street, would like to try a sample, I do have what they call twosies, which is 2 of these little strips. And it's enough to do 2 to 4 fingers depending on how long your nails are. It does 4 for mine because mine are pretty short. But yeah, I could send you a little tester if you're interested. And if you'd like to order anything, like I said, they're always buy 3, get 1 free, and my link is below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.